Federal health officials were on Capitol Hill today. They came under fire for their handling of the Ebola situation. More now from congressional correspondent Nancy Cordes.
Under oath, the CDC director went head-to-head with Republicans who want a ban on travelers from West Africa. Fred Upton of Michigan.
We should not be allowing these folks in, period.
But Dr. Tom Frieden argued that would make Americans less safe.
If passengers are not allowed to come directly, there is a high likelihood that they will find another way to get here, and we won't be able to track them.
That didn't satisfy Louisiana Republican Steve Scalise, who noted about 150 people from the 3 affected countries enter the U.S. every day.
Is the White House considering a travel ban?
I can't speak for the White House.
Do you know if they've ruled out a travel ban?
I can't speak for the White House.
Have you had conversations with them about it?
We've discussed the issue of travel.
The head of Texas Health Presbyterian Hospital in Dallas testified by videophone. Dr. Daniel Varga admitted his staff had not been trained to spot or treat Ebola before Thomas Eric Duncan arrived in the ER.
Unfortunately, in our initial treatment of Mr. Duncan, despite our best intentions and a highly skilled medical team, we made mistakes. We did not correctly diagnose his symptoms as those of Ebola, and we are deeply sorry.
Michael Burgess of Texas wanted to know why the 2 nurses Duncan infected have been evacuated from Dallas.
So is the reason that she is having to be removed because the personnel are no longer willing to stay at Presbyterian to take care of her?
Texas Presbyterian is really dealing with a difficult situation. They're working very hard. Because of the events of the past week, they're now dealing with at least 50 health care workers who may potentially have been exposed.
He insisted the best way to prevent more cases is to fight the virus at its source, across the Atlantic.
What we're finding is that it's moving quickly, and there's a real risk it will spread to other parts of Africa. Therefore, the key ingredient to progress there is speed.
He said the CDC has now sent 140 staffers to West Africa, but 11 of the 13 Republicans in that hearing wanted more. They want travel restrictions from West Africa, and a growing number of members from both sides out of that committee want the same thing, Jim.
Nancy Cordes on Capitol Hill for us tonight. Nancy, thank you.